Arreya is an easy-to-use software solution that gives you all the tools you need to create, publish, and manage digital signage content. Our solution comes with a complete Creative Studio design suite that empowers marketers, graphic designers, and teams to create dynamic, interactive, and touch content. With Arreya, there are no limits to your creativity. Customize one of our 500 included free templates, or use over 50 features to live stream, link videos, make touch objects, and so much more. Or contact our design team to have a custom branded template created to get you started. Arreya also has one of the most robust scheduling tools on the market. Schedule a presentation up to the minute and even prioritize a presentation over others without having to reset the entire schedule. The design canvas shows exactly what screens will display and can be pushed to go live with a click in real time with no lag or drop. Our software is easy to use, turnkey to implement, and requires zero lift from your IT team to manage. Plus, get an hour free training with one of our experts, unlimited user seats, and standard software support with your annual subscription. You get everything you need to do digital signage well from the moment you start using our software. To learn more, contact your sales rep or visit our website at arreya.com.